Hey y'all, got something really cool here from folks at Ferramonster. So let's get right into it, shall we? All right, in the box we've got a Ferramonster patch. Really cool. Really cool. Got a cleaning cloth. Very nice. We've got a specification card. We've got an instruction manual. Very cool. Now get into the knife. Got a nice pouch. All right, folks, what we got here is the Aurora Rays. Titanium everything. Titanium frame, titanium screws. The only thing that ain't titanium is this beautiful M390 blade. Got a nice harpoon, nice stone ground finish, 3.46 inches. The edge grind is just perfect on both sides. Look at that. It couldn't be any more even. Got a very nice point on it. Nice pass through to the frame lock. Got some very nice jimping on the flipper tab. Nice and grabby. Action is just awesome. Titanium back spracer, lanyard loop, titanium pocket clip. That's very nicely made. I mean, look at the detail in the pocket clip. I love that ray pattern. Looks really good. I didn't think I'd like this color until I got it in my hand. Just look at the way the light changes. I mean, that's awesome. I mean, the detail and the workmanship, just awesome, man. And that pattern feels really good in the hand. Beautiful knife. All right, y'all, tell me what you think. The Ferramonster Aurora Rays in gold. I love that gold. I didn't think I would, but I love it. Anyhow, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you would, you've come this far, hit that like button, please. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it a whole lot.